Hi, today I'd like to walk you through a quick introduction to using Delta Dental's provider tools to determine your patient's eligibility and benefits. We've designed provider tools to be fast, easy, and efficient. Provider Tools offers two options to check eligibility and benefits: My Patients and Eligibility and Benefits. With My Patients, you have the option to view information about new patients or every Delta Dental enrollee who's visited your office in the past several years. Let's start by clicking on My Patients. Here, you'll be able to add a new patient, view their information, or view the information for every Delta Dental enrollee who's visited your office in the past several years. Under Actions, you can view eligibility and benefits, claims submitted for a patient, or submit a claim. You can mouse over the icons and review the tooltip to see which is which. To view eligibility and benefits for an enrollee on your patient list, go to the Actions column and click the first icon. On the Eligibility and Benefits page, you can see essential information like your patient's first and last names, their plan information, and their effective date. The information on this page extends past the first screen, so don't forget to scroll down to see it all. As you scroll, you'll see your patient's benefits and covered services information, their plan maximums and deductibles, their waiting period summary, and any other provisions they may have, such as limitations on coverage for dependents, orthodontics, or pregnancy benefits. Let's go back to the top. The left-hand menu displays the claim's mailing address and payer ID. You'll also find navigation links for more detailed benefit information. For now, let's click Benefit Details. Benefits are divided into different classifications based on their treatment type. If you know the benefit classification you're looking for information on, you can click that link and then Show All to see everything. Let's do that now. That's a lot of benefits. On this page, you can see important information like the procedure code description, limitations, and more. You might also see a link like the one that says Limitations Apply. Let's click that to learn more. As you can see, clicking Limitations Apply gives us more in-depth information. Good to know, right? Okay, let's close this window and return to the top of the page. Seeing every benefit a patient's plan offers isn't always practical. What if you know they need a specific procedure and you only want information about that? Well, that's when you want to click Benefits Search. Searching for benefits is easy. If you know the procedure code, you can use that. You can also search by common keywords such as prophylaxis or bite wing, or you can even search by tooth number. Let's try searching by the procedure code now. The system has been enhanced to let you search for up to 10 procedure codes at a time. Just separate the codes with a comma and don't include spaces. And here are the results for our search. When you search by procedure code, the treatment history will also display for the procedure codes entered. Once you have the search results, additional details about the specific code will be displayed. For example, the frequency or whether or not it is a covered service. Let's try searching by keyword next. And that's what happens when you search by a keyword like bite wings. Finally, let's see what happens when you search by tooth code. This has a few more steps than the other methods. When you search by tooth, you'll have to choose whether you're searching for an adult or a child tooth number. You can either choose the number from the drop-down menu or enter the code. If you are entering a single-digit tooth number for adults, you'll need to remember to add a leading 0. This applies to claim submissions as well. Our system expects adult dentition to be entered as a 2-digit number. And here are the results for our search. If a procedure code you searched for isn't recognized, there are additional options to perform a search. You can scroll back up to the top of the page and on the left-hand side of the screen, select Other Procedures. There, you can try searching by the treatment type or by a specific procedure code. Let's look at your patient's treatment history next. When you visit this screen, you'll see your patient's total treatment history. Depending on how old they are and how long they've been with Delta Dental, this can be a lot of information. Fortunately, there are ways to narrow things down. Let's choose a tooth code from the drop-down menu to get things started. There we go. If your patient hasn't had a specific tooth treated, it won't appear in the drop-down menu. You don't need to worry about looking at each tooth just to see whether or not it's had work done on it. You can also search by procedure codes when looking at your patient's treatment history. Remember, procedure codes begin with the letter D followed by 4 digits. And there you have it. Looking up your patient's eligibility and benefits information is easy with Delta Dental's provider tools. Of course, there's more you can do too. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos.